Alright everybody, you don't know who this already. This are the Skilla. And here we are going right now. Some little thing where they are going on about a pastor with one dildo. You see me I say? Yeah. And you know, me see it, but me really and truly me I say, you know, I not say nothing about this thing. If you know, me just leave it for a while and wait for the right opportunity for present it to you, because that same pastor is a pastor where, you know what I mean, me could have swear we see him on the bus one time I preach. So I could take a reverse back to, you know, cause reverse and back, you know think about. I could take a look back from what happened, what really caused the whole problem right now, alright? Observe.
Give me something like a pastor, say one pastor, by pastor. Yeah, pastor. Yeah, pastor. Yeah, pastor. Show them, tell them. Tell them, pastor. Yeah, pastor. Yeah, pastor. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pastor. Yeah.
So, wanna see that part there, what happened a while ago. Now, I want to take a look on this part now, where him explain what happened to him. You see what I say? He might try to explain, say, them force him. Me not say nothing yet. I'm not look on it for myself.
Yes, I want to make a report to the whole world that I'm a preacher, a man of God, preaching the word of God. And all the while I used to preach about sodomite and batty boy and lesbian. So while I was passing by King Street coming down, I saw some girls and boys were there and they called me to pray for them. While they called me to pray for them, into the place, one of them took me down and said, go sit down there so in the chair. So I don't know if they have gun, knife or whatever they have. And when one took me down, me really sit down. And the other one said, take that big dildo they give him. Let him put it in our mouth. How we are going to fixing business today. Because we that is here, all lesbian and batty man, all the while in preach about it on the bus. And them not like that because we are spoil them business. So that's what they did to me. And harder me to put it in my mouth. Force me to put it in my mouth. And that's how it goes. So me I ask you, please don't tear me down, because God not tear me down. Don't tear me down, my friend. Pray for me too. Amen, because we all have our cross to carry and our burden to bear. So me ask you if you delete it. Take it off of your phone, because nothing go so. They're trying to condemn me.
It's a lie from the pit of hell.
It's a lie from the pit of hell. Because we're false dead.
You have your wife.
And I have my wife. Show them my wife. Come me there. What talk to talk. See my wife there.
It is a disgrace.
Lord, man.
It is a disgrace with my husband. See him on Facebook and WhatsApp. When I go and somebody call me and say, Miss Clark, look here. When I look, I see some, me hear it all, they can see the end. You know, and no Lexus now come away yard. No Lexus now come to me.
Come away yard and no Suzuki Swift. And no big Benz now come on me yard. Yes, you know what I mean? No big Benz now come on me yard. And no big suitcase now come on me yard.
Shame on this.
I want me to back me up. I look back with me Bible. And me things in it. Me is not a batty boy. Because me not like them. Amen, me not like them, they're no good.
The Prime Minister must take them out of the country.
Yeah.
Hey, I wonder if the pastor realized the people watch the video. And I wonder if he realized the people have sense. You see me? Because when we watch the first scene, me not see nobody push it down him throat. Me not see nobody force it with nothing. Me not see nobody look at him and say, yo, do this or do that. All they said was, Pastor, Do you want this? Which in me not clearly hear what that lady said, cause she sound like she a laugh when she hand him the dildo. But me know me clearly hear, which is the only thing I know me hear was put it on your front, not your mouth. He chose to put it there, right? And now in this video where he's apologizing with his wife, right? You hear what I'm saying? Do you hear what he said? I tell you. You know, as normal, all I do is point out the points. You know, me give you a small hint of my views, and really and truly, the rest is up to you, my viewers. Wanna tell me what you think? Don't be afraid for expressing yourself, but to be honest, some of you guys, you know, some of the guy people them where express themselves, I express themselves with too much bad words, you know what I mean? Please, I'm asking you, keep it clean, alright? Don't be too harsh, you know what I mean? Anyways, let me know what you think. And as always, if you're brand new to the system or to this channel, if you need to know what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. And my name is Skilla, you know? And that was Skilla's Entertainment.